Alright guys, part 2. We're starting on Mine. There's our progressives that we're hoping for. So if you don't know, we need 3 sticks of dynamite and 6 gold nuggets. And the dancing man is wild. Come on. Hey.
Okay, we have a handful of tickets over here, guys, lucky numbers. As soon as they are sold, we can draw it. So if you would like one, come on over.
Oh, I just remembered I was meant to start on 10 cents. Ah, silly
So
me.
the lucky numbers, they are $2 a number. 3 numbers for $5. And you could win yourself $100.
Silly me. Because it's been so long since I filmed the last one. $1. Hey. Why didn't you? Oh, $17. Why didn't you go a bit further? $2.50. Come on, dynamite. Well, I feel that's about $50 on 10 cents. $13.50. I might just keep going on 10 cents. It seems to be paying all right. It's giving me the line hits. It's just not giving me the bonus. It's not even giving me line hits now. Oi, donkeys! You ass. $9. Hey. Nah. Alright. Let's finish it here.
Are you going live on that, are you? Going live on that?
No. Not live, just recording it.
Oh, I think you're going live.
No.
Somebody might have been watching at home.
Not today. Come on. Oh, yes. Good decision. Lucky that man came and talked to me, otherwise I would have missed it. Hey! It's very loud, I know, but it's very loud in here tonight. Hey, 37.50. 50. Good bonus. Oh, keep it going. 2 more for 20k. Last one, hit it. Nah, that's still a beautiful bonus. Come on, mine. Fabulous. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We nearly hit 200. I'll give it a few more. Still teasing. I'll go down to 150, I think. Come on. $6. Yeah, definitely go to 150. And then I think it'll be just about time for me to go and have dinner. We are at the Lions. A Sunday night, busy night. But you do get to use your meal vouchers tonight. That's why it's busy. Alright, I'll collect that and I'll be back with the next one shortly. Alright guys, we have moved from Mine to playing the Bandito Wild Chuco. So we need 3 of these for the free spins, or 6 coins. I apologise for the light. Can't do too much about that. Come on, 3 more. We are starting on 10 cents. Come on. Yes. That is very loud. That's better. All right, can we rob the bandit? Let's go. Hey, nothing's going past here. $10, rotten thing. Money, no. A few 9s for $1. Money, no. Oh no. That's probably the best thing we could have hoped for. Got 3 more spins.
So we have just drawn our lucky numbers.
Come on, not jacks. Coins.
So as
last one.
Proceeds go to our charity of the month, and this month it was the Heart Foundation.
$23. That was pretty ordinary.
So the numbers that
10 times our bet.
It's number 39. And it is Tony Gibson.
Come on. Let's see that mock-up bonus, hey? $4.50. $3.70. She's died. She has died, so let's do it. 250. It's died altogether, hasn't it? Hey, that could be alright. So is 1750, that's not bad. Is Tiki Fire the same as Tiki Idol? Or is it different name, different machine, so I need to play that one as well? Yeah, I don't know about that. Ah, look at that. One more. No. It's not doing anything. Not doing anything, is it? Nothing at all. Alright. Try 5 cents. Never know your luck in the big city. One spin too late. Come on. Yeah, alright, we got it. 5 cent denom. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Well, Chuco. I think 9s was the best thing we could have hoped for. $20. Oh dear. Last one. Safe. $19. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do here. Yeah, buddy. $125 ball. That's what we need to do. Come on, mini miner. 10 bucks. Oh, come on. Yeah. Saved it nicely. It's a good bonus. Beautiful bonus. Last one. $37.50. Oh, dearie me. Come on, surprise us. Hey. That's a really good bonus. Pretty sure that's over the 100x, but we'll see. We shall see. I think well and truly. Well and truly. Yeah. We robbed the bandit tonight. We definitely robbed the bandit tonight. I'm going to go to 350. And then I'm gonna cash that out. and then maybe I'll do 100 in something else. Last one. So, just in case I don't do 100 in something else, I'm going to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again shortly with another one.